So another quick update before the market get really saturated, and then there are a lot of rush in the market. As you can see, gold right now, you can see that gold actually made that move that we are anticipating for, right? It broke above this key zone. For number one, for intraday trader, all of them must be making money right now, obviously, because I share this trader. If you're an intraday trader, wait for the close of the intraday resistance. I drew with that like a triangle pattern yesterday. You go and watch the previous video. Okay, so if you actually traded that, if you pick that trade, you should be in good profit right now. I mean, a decent one. But as a swing trader, that's not the case for me or the case for the rest of us. Why? Because despite the fact that we had a breakout here, personally, I'm still waiting for at least half of this move, the pullback, at least 50% or something around 38 or 40% pullback. But that is yet to happen. So if this is putting me in a very, I feel a little bit around the edge. All right. So right now, I don't want to rush into this trade. Then watch the market come down, do the actual pullback, and start going up. Okay, that will be pretty painful for me because that means I'm being impatient. I didn't wait for the market, and I don't want to do that to myself. Okay, so I want to be patient on this trade, and also I don't want to miss out because this pullback might not happen. I've seen it several times, severally. Okay, the reason why I was able to pick this trade, excuse me, the one I picked on Friday was because the market breakout there, I saw this red candlestick that followed up, followed by this candlestick, then it moved up. So if I could see something like that, I would be so glad, but I'm not sure I'm going to be seeing that. So as we move forward, I'm just going to put, you can see my notification right here, right? I'm waiting for that pullback. It's been there since yesterday. Okay, but if that failed to happen, I might just put another notification ahead around this area. Okay, at the top right here. So if I see a candlestick that close precisely above this area, okay, I'm gonna look for a buy opportunity. That's number one. However, if I'm gonna buy, I will risk so little. Okay, generally I risk 1.5% on my trade. Okay, 1.5% on each of my trade. All right, so I might risk maybe 0.7% on that trade. 0.7%. I don't want to go in too deep because it is not something I quite trust yet because gold has been going up for a very long time. Though it is bullish here, but pullback is expected. It has gone so much, it has gone so high for so long. So we are expecting the pullback, but nobody knows when it's gonna happen, right? All I can do, in my own personal opinion, is to follow the trend. All right. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. Well, anything above that, I'm just gonna wait to see how this play out. So currently, I wait for a buy around there, and I'm gonna risk very little. That's one. Secondly, and aside that, there's nothing else on gold that I can share right now. For today, I don't think we're gonna see. We might see. I don't want to say I don't think, okay, because the market don't care about what I think, anyways, or what anybody think for that matter. So we might see a break. I'm still on this short opportunity. I'm still on that short trade setup. It's still in my head, and I'm very. I don't want to overlook it because my buyer sometimes will shift when the market is very dramatic. Okay, I might forget what I'm supposed to do. All right, so I still don't want to let go of this sell opportunity, but my sell trade setup is still below here. Okay, I want to see a successful break of this key zone right here. You can see support. Okay, and I also yesterday it touched this place also, which is another support. So I'll wait for a clear and precise break of this support level right here, and then make a pullback. It just has to. Right after that pullback, it doesn't matter if it touches successfully, but I just need that pullback, at least 38% pullback, and then I will look for short opportunity. And that short opportunity, I'm gonna trail it from now till the end of the earth. Okay, and as you can see also, the war around the world, the impediment drama that's going on all over the world right now is actually not that impactful on good now, because, and probably it's because the rest of the world, France, UK, US, they are all advising Israel not to retaliate. Okay, and probably that's the reason why we are seeing the heat in the Middle East kind of come down a little bit, kind of subside a little bit. But I think I read a post yesterday where IDF said they're going to retaliate. That's all I know. Okay, for now. So I'm going to share everything. I'm going to go ahead and put it there. Okay, so you can all go ahead and read about it.